Hi guys, I'm Hassan with WTI, and yes, you just found me sipping out of my favorite wine glass. And I want to tell you everything I love about this beautiful wine glass that I got. These are the unbreakable Tritan wine glasses from Amazing Abbey. This is a set of 6, and they are BPA free and perfect for any outdoor activity. I personally love these because they don't even look like they're made of plastic. If you compare these two, you couldn't tell which one is plastic and which one's glass. And that's something I really appreciate about this product because it's so stylish, modern, elegant, and it's great for any gathering. If you're going to have a pool party and you're worried about breaking your glass as well, with these ones you won't have to worry at all because they won't break. Do you see how resistant they are? They won't break or shatter like glass. I personally use it with wine or lemonade because I think any drink looks really nice and elegant in here. So if you're looking to have stylish, elegant, modern, and unbreakable glasses for wine or any other drinks, these ones from Amazing Abbey are for you. You won't regret them for any picnic or outdoor activities. And that's my point of view.